Yes, guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another session. How's everyone doing? Yeah, we had a good morning today. We've taken one position already. If anybody interested, we have already taken a long trade on gold in London. Caught about 30 ticks in total, which is decent. But I literally just caught the move on this 30 flip higher. You know, into the I actually got out for like 30 ticks in profit. So yeah, not too bad. I had two contracts running, took one off, and then took the rest off at like 30 ticks, and then I were out. Beautiful TP. We took profit here and reversed to the downside, which is good to see. But like always, this analysis is finished for now. I'll update what I'm seeing shortly. Hey Dan, how's it going? Sean, welcome. I'm Sean, Dan. Who else is here, guys? Drop a comment, drop a like as well. Let's get to 10 quickly. If you've just joined, drop a like. Like I say, smash the session. Who likes the new thumbnail too? I sorted that out yesterday and today. How are you doing, Dan? Are you good, mate? Yeah, cheers for likes, guys. Let's get to 10 quickly. If you've just joined, let's smash it. Let's get to 10. But I will break down, because I do think there's still some more upside on gold. But obviously I will play both sides of the markets like always. Where's my phone? Right, let me just put the link out again to the Telegram and then we'll get started. Okay, last time putting that out and then we can crack on now. Okay, good stuff, good stuff. Yo, Aaron. Hi, Joel, the best. You too, Aaron, mate. Ron, community. One sec, something in my way. Right, let's have a look at this. Dan, mate, hi. Yeah, I hope you're good. Ron, how's it going? Community W's today. Yeah, beautiful. I took like 30 ticks in total, which is good. $370. Hi, Joel, the best. Yeah, Aaron, how's it going? How's it going, bro? And Dean, welcome. Guys, everyone's back. It's good to see. Good to see. What I'm going to do really quickly is I'm going to break down the trade that we took in the community. I personally took 37 ticks in total, but you know, yeah, decent little push already in London, but you know, and yeah, today if you're looking at this push to the downside, it actually started in the Asia session. So when we woke up, gold had already pushed down. You know, when I actually came onto the charts, let me just turn that down a little bit. Gold was actually having this push down. Like I said, I am in Asia, but I'm not trading the Asian session. I'm trading London and US. But yeah, gold already had this push down. Within this leg to the downside, gold gave a couple of entries. I know a few of the community members who trade Asia, I know a few of them caught some positions on the way down, which is great. But yeah, coming into the actual session, nothing in London actually happened until 11 o'clock, an hour ago recently. Nothing at all happened. And in my market update video, in my daily market update video, I said to the community members, get back above 26.36. I'm going to be looking for them longs. Anything back below this recent support here at 26.25, I'm going to be looking for further shorts, okay? So this was the range, and the range was actually quite big today. It was like a 90 tick range, and you know, sometimes you have a smaller range. Like for example, look at the range we had on Friday. The range we had on Friday was like 40, 50 ticks, half of what we had today. The reason being is look at the push to the downside. When you have pushes to the downside like so, and like we have now, you tend to see the range is a little bit bigger than normal, but it's normal. Don't look at your range and go, oh, it's 90 ticks, I can't trade. No, whatever the range is, that's the range. There's no altering it to suit like a 30, 40 tick range. That's not what we do. That's trading emotionally, and that's not trading what the market's actually showing. But yeah, in terms of what I was looking at, I was saying buys back above here. I was looking to try and take out this kind of double top. It did get liquidated, but it was a high of liquidation that we needed to take. And yeah, gold, look at that, 30-minute time frame. Took liquidity perfectly here, closed above here. I entered on the flip of the next candle into that liquidity, and it got smashed perfectly. I literally took from here into just a little bit above there for like 34 ticks. I literally got out almost at the high, you know, almost at the high, and now it has flipped down. But yeah, I caught my little chunk there, which is decent. I will break down the market, what I'm seeing for today too. Just give us... But yeah, oh, 17, nice. All good, mate. Mr. Morning Trades. All good, Aaron, mate. All good, all good. There's many, many more opportunities, as always. As always, guys, if you miss a position, don't get FOMO. There's always more trading. Like I say, gold's going absolutely nowhere. But yeah, beautiful little push up there. 34 ticks for me. First trade of the week. To be honest, guys, touch wood, this year so far, I've taken 4 trades, 1 break even, 3 wins. You know, that's in the first 3 trading days back of the first 3 trading days back of the year. 4 trades, 3 wins, so decent. I will share my journal with the community members for this year too. You know, I've started a fresh journal. I'm gonna, you know, upload that so everybody can see the journal. So yeah, like I say, community members can see it. But yeah, beautiful liquidity grab, beautiful momentum closing above, and yeah, I just took that a little flip higher. $370 I took in total there across 3 accounts, over $1,000. But that's what's happened. Let's have a look at these messages. How are you, Joe lad? Happy New Year, everyone. Hope you all had the best Christmas. New Year, new gold. Let's smash it. Yep, Skate, welcome to the stream. And yeah, let's smash the new year and all your goals. And Happy New Year to you and all the best. Caught the hourly flip, 50 ticks first day back. Nice. Let's have a look at the hourly. Oh yeah, hourly flip. If you caught the hourly flip down here, beautiful. Did take liquidity, but for me, I wanted to close back above here. I got my ticks, but a little bit further up. Like I say, you're never going to get the same entries as everybody. You've got the same idea for longs into the liquidity, but if you catch your 30, 40 ticks, you know, in a little move, like for example, I caught my ticks here, 35 ticks here. You know, if Skate caught his hourly flip down here, 50 ticks, perfect. You know, we've basically caught the same amount of ticks, but in 2 different places. Yes, guys, nice one, 10. Let's smash it. 2 more likes. Chris, welcome, bro. How's it going? Hope everyone's good. Like I say, I'm going to break down the market for what I'm seeing now. It is kind of clear for me what I'm seeing now. It is kind of clear. Right, yeah, let's do it now. Right, so gold in London session, you know, like I said, didn't do much for like a couple of hours, 2 or 3 hours here in this price action. But recently, look at what we've done. We've brought back above multiple levels. And like I said, I'm going to put them a bit more clearly for you. You know, we brought back above 26.36, brought back above 26.40. Now, you know, even a little minor level here at 26.42. Gold has shown that little push to the upside, which is great. And after a bullish push like so, it is good to see a little pullback because, you know, break out of the range, pull back, show the range, continuation higher. So, like I say, after a push, you need to wait for your new range to form. And for me, if I'm going to look for some buys right now, it will be back above 26.46. Very, very clear range for me. Look, resistance, resistance, acting as support, resistance, resistance. Get back above there. Get back above 26.46. Then you've got clearance into these highs here. You've got some liquidity at 26.42. So if we get back above 26.46, I'm going to be looking to go and take that liquidity above market. Like I say, this is what I'm seeing now. Ranges, levels, they're changing, say, every hour or 2. So for now, with the price action that we're seeing live, this is the range you want to get back above, or the level you want to get back above for buys for now. What could happen? Gold could pull back, range like so, in the next hour, and then that's your new range. This wouldn't be my level. This would be my range down here. But for now, with the price action that we've got, this is my level that I need to get back above to start looking for them buys. Okay. In terms of sells, I'm not really interested in sells after this push to the upside. So until we actually create a new range, I will be having sells only until if we get back below 26.36, that level that we wanted to get back above. So yeah, for me right now, it is another big range. But like I mentioned at the start of the live stream, when you have pushes like so, and when you have pushes like so, it's expected for your range to be bigger. You know, when price action is ranging, you're going to have like a 30 to 40 tick range that you need to break out of. When you've got bigger moves like we're seeing now, you're more likely to have them 50 plus tick ranges. And right now, the range is kind of big, but you trade what you see, and that's a 100 tick range, and it is what it is. Like I say, I'm not trading emotionally. I'm not putting my range here, for example, because I want a 50 tick range. No, I'm trading what the market's showing, and for me, what the market's showing is buys back above 26.46 into this liquidity, sells below 26.36 into where? Into this liquidity. Okay. Hope that makes sense. Let me have a look at the YouTube comments really quickly, guys. See. Luke, or are we one the way back down? Potentially, Luke. Like I say, I'm not gonna guess. Like I say, I react. I'm not guessing what the market's doing. Like gold could pull back. Yeah, it could pull back, but I'm not looking to short until we get back below 26.35. Okay. If we get back below 26.35, then yeah, sound. I'll look for them shorts. But for me, I prefer buys back above here. You know, we've got that momentum to the upside. If we get that closure back above 26.36, then look at that. Bang. You've got another 70 ticks into them highs. That's me done for the US session. You know, I'll probably be done for the day then. If I catch another long trade into these highs now, I've caught a win in London, I've caught a win in US. Perfect. Done for the day. Okay, guys. I hope that makes sense. As well as also, if you want to make sure you're getting updated, if you want to make sure you're getting updated on all my YouTube videos, community notifications, and when I go live on YouTube, join the free Telegram. I've just linked the free Telegram 2 times in the YouTube comments. Make sure if you want to get updated on anything regarding the community, regarding YouTube lives, seminars, etc., join the free Telegram. I've just linked that in the YouTube comments. What you say about current 5-minute continuation if this closes bullish? No, Jelly or Josh. The reason I can't take 5-minute entries is because we've not had a closure above. We've not had a closure above 26.46 on the 15:30 or hourly. The only way you can look at 5-minute is if you get that higher time frame closure. And right now, I can't look at the 5 because we've not had a closure on the 15 or 30, and we're still within the range. Okay. But yeah, what I'm really liking on gold now is we've got a clear range with clear liquidity. I'm just going to update this image for the community members. One sec. I'm just going to say new range and liquidity targets for the YouTube live. Okay, let me read these comments. Yeah, okay, you made a new range already. Yeah, Josh, like I say, it has formed. You know, we caught you took the same trade because you're in the community. You know, we took this 40 tick push, and look what's happened. We've got a recent resistance level here, and price has created that new resistance. Therefore, we've created a new range. You know, if this continued to push like so, you know, that new range wouldn't have formed, so we'd just be sat here. But because we've actually respected this level as resistance, we've got that new range already, which is good. You know, the quicker we create the range, the more likely we're to take a trade. Hey, Saf, how's it going, G? Welcome, mate. How's your day been? Guys, how's everyone's day been, by the way? How many trades have you taken? Positive, negative? Let me know. But yeah, let's see what the US session does. I'm interested. Let's see if we can get another W. But I like this. Oh, let me just get out of that. Nice. 2 trades on 2 accounts. Nice. 3 wins, 1 L. Good stuff. 1 W. Good stuff, guys. Guys, we got 20 people here. So let's smash 10 likes. I want 15 likes. Let's smash it. I want 10 at least each video. Come on, guys. We need 2. Let's get that extra 2, and we're happy. I want to smash 10 at least each video. in the new year. But yeah, good stuff, guys. If you caught the community W, that's what the community is about. Seriously, if you're in the community, the good thing about the community the community too is that we're all trading like obviously the same concepts. So to an extent, you can have notifications on, and somebody is gonna put, oh, next 30 flip looks good, because we're all eyeing the same thing, which is good because once you understand the strategy and you're confident, you can start, like, for example, three or four of us will see the same thing. Like, I did put in, I'm looking at the next 30 here to catch this position here. I said, oh, I'm looking at this next 30 to take it into this liquidity for like 30, 40 ticks. But, half of the members were looking at the same thing because, they're trading the same concepts, they know the same rules, they have the same plan, and that's what it's all about. And that's why it's so good as well. Like, if I see it, I love when I see it and everybody else sees the same thing too. It's so good. Hey, 11. Good stuff, guys. Legends. Smashed 11 already. I'd double like if I could, mate. Wes. Cheers, bro. Big supporter, mate. Nice one. Have a like. Yeah, Martin. Appreciate you, G. Appreciate you, mate. One sell, one buy. Both winners, thankfully. 65 ticks in total. Luke. Good work, mate. Very, very good work. Yeah, good work. And anybody who's interested in the management for me, the reason I actually took one off was because we were coming into this liquidity. And what does gold do? Comes into liquidity and pushes away. Look what gold did. Came into the liquidity and pushed away. So I actually entered long here. And I took most of my profits at like 35, 37 ticks or something. And I just got out at like just above this liquidity. Because I knew if it's going to reverse, it's going to be when it's like taking this liquidity. And that's exactly what it's done. And look at it now. Taking that liquidity and pushing down. But yeah, good start to the year, touch wood. So hope it carries on. One trade and one nice win, legend. Guys, it's what I'd like to see, smashing it. Good work. Community W's, good work. Seriously, we're at like 4 trades so far this year in the community. I've taken 100 ticks. I've taken like almost 100 ticks already in the new year, like in the first 3 trading days of the new year. It's been decent. But like I say, I'm not pushing it. We're not pushing it. Like, we did nothing. We've only just taken a position at 12 o'clock. We didn't do it for 5 hours. Because Asia gave the move. Look, Asia gave the move. We stayed patient, waited for that volume. When the volume happened, bang. Luke, do you trade futures or forex, mate? I trade futures, prop firm. Yeah, I've got 500k in futures, prop firm, funding. So, like I say, I didn't really, I've always been a personal. Like I say, I have traded forex prop firm, and I did do very well with forex prop firm. 2 or 3 years ago, I have traded prop firm with FX. But, when I went full time, I didn't really take prop firms that seriously because I got messed about a lot with prop firms. For example, not getting paid out. FX prop firms can literally just throw you under the bus whenever they want. Seriously, I had accounts that got closed for alleged things that never happened, like copy trading or stuff like that. It's a load of rubbish. I got denied 2-3 payouts, because they say a lot of rubbish like IP address changes and stuff. So that's when I made the switch to futures prop firms, and yeah, ever since I've not really looked back. So like, yeah, I've just built a top step. Got 3 accounts now, 500k, decent. And obviously I'll bring like I say, this year I am taking prop firm trading, especially with futures, because I feel confident and safe. The only reason I went to personal and built personal is because I didn't feel safe, or I didn't feel like it was worth using FX prop firms, because you'd ask for a payout on it's like 50-50. It just wasn't worth it. Yeah, I got big payouts with FX, 4 or 5k payouts like many times, or 3 or 4 times, but half of the time they just didn't pay you out, or they just got rid of your account for some stupid reason. And if you look on Twitter, you see it every day where someone doesn't get paid out, but Topstep, I don't think they deny payouts at all. So, I feel confident with staying with them. Confident staying with Topstep. Got 500k. I'm just going to build them accounts now. But there's a few, like I say, futures. Like, there's not just Topstep. Topstep are great. I've had many payouts with Topstep already over last year. But yeah, Topstep are great. But there is others as well that you can look into. It's not just Topstep, but yeah. But the thing, and that's the reason I am starting to try and build. That's why I am building Prop Firm Capital 2, as well as I will bring in my personal again soon. But the reason why I am focusing on Prop Firm again is because I feel like I can do again. I feel like I'm safe to do it now. If that makes sense, it feels worthwhile that I am going to get paid out, and if it feels worthwhile, like I am going to get paid out, why not? If you can get upwards of 800k funded, why would you not do that? It's just a great opportunity, and if you can trade personal, trade your funded. Say if you've got 400-500k in funding, and you trade your fund and you trade your real personal account too. Great stuff. And that's what I'm doing. Like, yeah, I'm just focusing on this for the next couple of weeks, and then I'll bring my personal into it. I want to get a decent little buffer, and then I'll bring my personal back into it if I can, if it works. But like I say, I've got big goals and I've got big goals for this year with Prop Firm and personal. How much I want to get out of it and stuff, and what I want to get out of it. Let me have a look at these. Spreads are disgusting with my broker. Do you trade spreads at Luke? What's your broker, mate? It's Wild West. Same thing happened to me with ACG and Equity Edge. Close my accounts. Yeah, exactly, Luke. They'll literally just close your account for something so stupid, like you traded 2 different sizes at 2 different times, and you're like, what's that got anything to do with anything? They'll call it poor risk management, and you're just like, and they don't put it in the main rules. They put it in the fine prints, and no one ever reads. It's literally a scam. Yeah, I want to get a clause back above there. Can you use Topstep on your phone, or do you need a comp? Yeah, you can do both. Luke, you can do both, mate. In the community, it's like 50-50. I personally use my computer only, but it's like 50-50. Some use the phone and the computer. Some just use computer. Some just use phone. Vantage, mate. Vantage are good. I use Vantage for my personal, but I don't. Like I say, I don't use it for scalping. I use it for like swing trading on personal. Yeah, Vantage are good though for spreads compared to most FX brokers. The problem is if you've traded futures, if you have traded futures before, and then you go to FX, you're gonna see the difference because you're not used to them spreads. But Vantage are not bad spreads at all compared to most FX. You've got a decent broker there for an FX. Like, to say how bad spreads are, like you've got a decent spread there with them. It depends what account you have too. You might not be on the right account for what you need. If you want good spreads, you can get better spread account on that too. But I use Vantage, and they're great. But like I say, if I am using Vantage for my personal, like I say, I'll take the same positions, but I'll use maybe a little bit bigger of a stop loss. I won't have my stop loss too tight because of spreads, and that's something you have to deal with FX. You don't have that. You don't have that with futures. You can actually use maybe just like 1 tick below where you want it to be. That's just something you have to deal with FX, unfortunately, mate. Yeah, that's what I mean, mate. Like, say you were with PU Prime and they was worse. Yeah, literally, I've gone through many brokers with FX, and I'd say Vantage are one of the best, to be honest. You've got Vantage, Blueberry, I've used before. Blueberry are the same spreads as Vantage. probably, and to be honest, these ones that I've just mentioned, them two, and IC markets, they give you the best they can probably give you. You know, they give you the best that they can offer. Like, you know, because they're the big ones and they're the most competitive. But my spread on, I think my spread on Vantage is like one to two ticks, maybe like one tick, two ticks. It's not even that bad for an FX broker. I've seen way worse. I've seen like 5 ticks, which is crazy. Robo Forex is great for gold on FX. Oh, nice. Close to zero spread, at least the spread is not. Oh, good stuff. Yeah, Josh, I'll have a look at that myself as well. Yeah, I'll have a look at that. Nice one. Martin, I always use Axie, always been good for me. Yeah, Axie, I looked at Axie as well, and they're the same. Axie, like I say, I don't really use FX at all, really. When I do put personal funds back into a personal, I'm gonna actually look at a futures, but I know there is big minimums that you need to have in some of the accounts. So I am gonna look at that if it's worth it or not, because it is more regulated, and that's why I'm happy to start prop firm trading again. You know, futures is way more regulated. You know, if it's more regulated, feels safer, I can build an account for a couple of months, and that's what I'm doing with my accounts now with TopStep. I'm building them for 2 or 3 months, and then I'll take a withdrawal. I'm happy to keep it in because I know that they're good and I know that they're legit. There's no way, and anybody who is trading FX, prop firm, like, you better be taking that profit instantly. But yeah, decent little range here on gold. Is that a new range, potentially? You could probably see a pullback if you break below these levels here. What's the 4 hour looking like? Yeah, 4 hours closing in an hour or two. You'd probably best off waiting for them longs higher. For me personally, I'm going to be looking for them longs higher. Just trying... yeah, I'm keeping it here for now. If more structure forms, then I'll change it. X-Ness are great for me, yeah. Good stuff, Dean. Like I say, most of them, they're here or there. You know, you're not playing with much with FX at all. You know, you could, if you look at 10 brokers, best, you know, the top 10 best spread, you're not playing with much at all. Yes, guys, if anyone's got any questions, let me know. Stick it in the comments if you've got any questions as well. But yeah, this is the best range for now. Anybody who's wondering, this is definitely the best range for me right now. Like I say, if gold, say, comes down on this next 15, wicks this, pushes back up, then yeah, you can use that. But for me, I'm just gonna wait to see how this next 15 closes. I'm just gonna see how this next 15 closes. You know, like I say, it has rejected this level here. Sells back below there is clean too. Decent little range there for them pullbacks. You know, back below here, you've got a decent pullback into like 40 ticks there. Like I say, we'll just wait, see what gold wants to do. I really do prefer the longs though, for me personally. I do like the longs. But that is a decent little level we've got there at 26.41. On the 15 for sure, look, resistance, resistance, support, support. I just want to see what happens next time it comes into it, because it could come into it, react from it, and if it does, then that's perfect for sells. But back above, I do like, I want to see, get back above this level now. If this hourly closes back above 26.46, then yeah, I think you're going to see further upside. So we just wait for that. Okay. But yeah, anyone got any questions? Feel free to drop a question in the comments. Let me know. Seriously, anything at all, let me know. It doesn't have to be trading related. It could be anything. Nice one. And if you're not subscribed as well, guys, drop a subscribe. If you're new to the streams and you're not subscribed, drop a subscribe, drop a comment, drop a like. Let's see who's here. Let's try and find this position. Yeah, if this hourly can flip back bullish, then I am still valid to take the next hourly long. You know, it's taking liquidity. It's only 3 candles after. How's cost of living in my area? Like, I am, yeah. So for me, like I say, when you're in the thing with Asia, like, yeah, I am like the thing with Asia is that you can do it very cheaply. Like if you was a single guy and you wanted to, you know, dial in somewhere and live cheaply, get a cheap apartment and live cheaply, yeah, you can do that. But like I say, you can also spend a lot of money too. You know, there's 2 sides to it. You can be going out eating at restaurants, you know, buying nicer apartments. You know, it's the same with anywhere you go. Like Asia's not cheap if you don't make it cheap. You can for sure make it cheap, of course, but relatively cheap to live here, yeah. But is it for me and the apartments that I buy? No. I wouldn't say it is. It is the same as the UK for me. I'm spending the same as I would in the UK. So yeah. But that's just me. Like I say, that's just me. But if you wanted to come, do it cheap, of course you could. Could I do it cheaper? Yeah. 100% I could. But like I say, I need decent apartment, I need decent Wi-Fi, I need decent internet. I can't, you know, I like a decent view too. You know, when you're getting nice views, sea views, and you're getting decent apartments, it does cost a lot of money. But in terms of cost of living, in terms of like food and standard rent, it's not bad. It's decent, normal. Let's have a look. Do you ever use trend lines as confluence, like a break and retest, just the same way as your horizontal? Like, no, I don't, Luke. I trade into, like, for example, this trade we took this long. We had this trend line here. Trend lines are very retail. They're a very retail pattern. And if you're using trend lines, be careful because they never work. You know, look at this trend line here. What you tend to find is that retail, let me just clean this chart off, I'll bring it back in a second. But what you tend to find is retail will step in short here. Look, they've taken a stop loss. They'll step in short at these levels, stops above, looking for it to go down. Look, they've already taken a stop. And then they've taken a stop there. They see that price is bullish. And what do? They start looking for buys when it retests the trend line. What does it do when it retests the trend line? They have the buys there, stop losses below. And what does price do? It'll come down, take their stop losses and then move. I don't use I use trend lines as my targets where retail stop losses are. I don't use trend lines, break and retest, no way. They definitely don't work. And if you are using trend lines, you'll see that they don't work very often at all. Like, beautiful example here. But going back to the question, cost of living. When I first came to Thailand, yeah, when I first started travel trading, I did it cheaper for sure. But obviously, as you grow and as you make more, and as you obviously you get more payouts, you make more from trading, you can afford to stay in nicer places, you can afford to eat out more. Like I say, at the start, no way, I didn't. I kept it to a minimum as much as I could, you know. But the more you make, the nicer things you can get, and that's what it's all about, you know. You know, I was very humble at the start. I was buying like £1 chicken and rice, you know, 50p fruit, because that's what I wanted to do, and to make it work, that's what I wanted to. That's what I had to do. But that was like 2 or 3 years ago, anyway, when I first started like getting profitable. You know, for the first 4 years, I was just at work in England working, and then you know, for the last 2 or 3 years now, it's been profitability, so it's been a bit different. But with trading, it all there's no limit really. Like how much you make, you can just keep increasing how much you make each year. That's what it's all about. And that's what I tend to do on this year compared to last year too. Let's have a look at this 30. Got your whiskey in that mug, bro. No, no, not whiskey now. This is just tea, if you can see. Yeah, this is just tea. I got whiskey over Christmas to enjoy. I'm not drinking whiskey every day, not especially Monday to Friday. No way. But yeah, that's the thing as well. Like, I was before I actually went traveling. Anyway, I was kind of profitable with getting payouts and stuff. Obviously, with FX prop firms and stuff, as I was traveling, you know, I weren't getting paid out by some of them because they just denied payout. I was losing some accounts. My Forex funds, I actually lost 2 accounts with them and a payout that were pending. I want to see how price. Like I say, we've got a decent little level here too. This could be a little. This could be a better range. What's that 30 look like there? Yeah, that's a nice level. Probably keep it there for now. Back above there for buys. I want to see how price reacts from this level, but for now it is still here until price develops. Yeah, I'm just seeing how we close. Because we have got like I mentioned, we have got a decent level here. This could be a new range for sure. Just give it a little bit of time. Mm. But yeah, I'm gonna keep this range for now on gold. I'm gonna keep this range that we're seeing here. This is a decent little range here. I think if we close back below this level quite strong, um, if we close back below this level quite strong, I am gonna look for them pullback shorts. Okay. Guys, if you experience any buffering, just come off, delete the YouTube, and join the stream again. It will sort itself out. If it's like stopping and starting, just come off, and yeah, you'll be fine. Come off, like delete the thing, type in my name again, and come back on. You'll be fine. All good there. It did just. I just lost connection myself, to be honest with you. I am to be fair though, I think if we get back below here, you're gonna maybe see some levels below market. I hope the let me just check again really quickly. Yeah, it's all clear. It's all clear for me too now. But I hope we don't range for the majority of Asia. Majority US. It wouldn't be too nice. I want to preferably get back above here. 26.46. This 15, and then I can target these highs here, and then be done. Catch that and then be done. Yeah, guys, if it, like I say, it did it for me too. It did it for me too. If it is stopping and starting, like I said, the connection just dropped for me. So just come off the YouTube live and then come back on. It should be absolutely fine. Yeah, just rejoin. Okay, yeah, sound good stuff, Am. Nice one, guys. Saf, can we have the journal to journal our own trades? Yep, Saf, you can do. I will upload that this week, the new journal. Okay? I've created a new journal for the community members. So, like I say, if you do want that, I'll upload that for the community members. Probably Friday. Okay? But yeah, always important to journal. I do like the look of this 30 if it closes above now, but it isn't. It's not doing it. It's not closing above this level. I did like the look of it if it did, but it just didn't. So it is what it is. On to the next one. But this range is kind of clean now. What's the hourly saying? Hourly didn't flip too. Ugh. Yeah, US could just range after this push in London. It could range for an hour or two, and then the move happens after. But we'll see. 5 doing anything? No. Look at the 5. Look at the volume on the 5 after the push. Look at that volume there. Chuck would Chuck. How's it going, mate? How are you, bro? Welcome to the stream. Yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed already, drop a subscribe. We're almost at 500 now, which is great. If you're new, drop a subscribe, guys. How are you, Chuck, mate? Where are you from as well? Where is everybody from? Like I said, drop a comment where you're from. US, Europe, UK, Australia, Asia. Let me know where you're from. Germany. Yeah, just stay patient. Like I say, Gold's already gave a great entry today. Just stay patient, it'll come. Guys, if you want to join the Discord community, you want access to the Discord community, If you want access to the Discord community, get involved. Seriously, you get the full strategy, all the trade breakdown videos, you get all the members chats, you get the members Zoom calls, you get one free one-to-one per month for like 20 to 30 minutes to review your progress. It's very worth the monthly subscription. So if you want to get involved, I've just put it in twice. The link. Click the link, get signed up, and get involved with the other 40 members that we've got now. You know, we've got a good group of 40 members. If you want to join, click the link I've just put in the comments of the YouTube live and get signed up. Belfast, Northern Ireland, Luke, nice one, man. Good stuff. Yeah, nice. Germany, yeah. Germany, good, Josh. Nice. Naeem, hi Joe, Happy New Year, hope you're well. Yeah, you too, Naeem, how are you? How are you, Naeem? How's it going? Have you traded this year so far? All the best to you, man. All the best. But yeah, great start to the new year for me for trading wise and the community. We've had 4 trades for me personally, 3 wins, 1 break even. Not bad. What have you been up to in the new year, Naeem? Have you been up to anything? Yeah, I'm just gonna see how this 15 closes. The next thing for me will be this 15. Good, mate. Not yet. Been busy with new business. Yeah, good stuff, man. Yeah, I know. I remember you telling me. I hope that all goes well for you in the new year too. Hope that goes well for you. Yeah, but gold's volumes, or gold directional volume, should I say? It's not done much since that push. You know, like I say, there is a little. Like I say, we've got decent candle moves on the 5 minutes, so the volume is there. But since that push to the upside, it's just been sideways, so just wait. Let's go into, mate. Community members too. Community members. There will be a new course video being uploaded tomorrow. Okay, so stay tuned for that. A new course video will be uploaded tomorrow. Still within this range for now. Still within this range. Like I say, it's a waiting game with gold when it's in its range. You know, let's see what this next 5 minutes does. Let me... It should be alright now. Yeah, it's all good now. Yeah, if the connection goes again, I'll just go on to my hotspot. No problem. I'll just jump onto hotspot. It's annoying me, to be fair. I'm gonna wait. Yeah, this next 15 will be interesting. If this 15 closes above, then I'll be looking. If in the next 8 minutes, I'll be looking for longs. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. 30s. Yeah. This 15 that I'm waiting on now. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah, let's see how this 15 closes. We've got 6 minutes until this 15 closes. If this 15 closes back above this range, then I'm happy to take them longs into this liquidity here. Okay. I'll probably just take half risk too, with being like 37 ticks up for the day. But yeah, this 15 is interesting as well. We've actually created a bottom wick on the hourly too. So if we get that 15 closure, potential to see that little push higher, at least 15, 20 ticks, is quite high. So we've got 5 minutes to wait here. Let's see if we can get that push. I'm going to delete this for now, because look what the 15's done. The 15's actually taken liquidity lows here. So now we've taken this liquidity. If we close above, even if we close like here, you've got like 25 ticks there, which is nice. Just drop a comment. Is the stream okay for everyone? The connection. Is the connection okay? If it is, just put a thumbs up. Yeah, fine. Let me know. Thanks, one. Thanks, everyone. Let me just try myself. Yeah, it seems alright for me. On my end, anyway. Yeah, nice one. All good. Where's nice one. Cheers, appreciate it, guys. Like I say, it is normally okay for the full 2 hours that I stream. It's like 1 or 2 times. I think, yeah, it is what it is. It is annoying for me too. I like a smooth stream for the full hour and a half, whatever I do stream, but I apologise for that if it does annoy you. Yeah, I had to restart a few times. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. Even if we don't get the 15 impulse here, we can just enter on the 30 impulse. I just take the 30. If the 15 doesn't set up, I just take the 30 here. Yeah, if it goes bad again, I'll just go on my hotspot. Just let me know. If it starts lagging, just let me know, guys. It should be okay now for the next 30 minutes at least that I stay on for. Like I say, I'll be on here for another maybe 20, 30 minutes, see if we can catch a position. If not, I'll just stay active in the community. As always. Hopefully we get that push above 26.47, and then we can take it higher. This level here, I need to get back above. Because this could still actually push down. At this level, we could act as resistance and continue down. And I am open for that still. I am still open for that. You know, if we get back below here, then yeah, I'm open to them sells for them pullback shorts. So I am open to both sides of the market too, still. Within this range. Very clean range. Oh, 20 people. That, guys, if you just joined, like I say, if you're new to the stream, drop a like, drop a comment. Let's see who's here. Subscribe to. I go live every day, 4 to 5 times per week. Every time the same time. 12:30 UK time. But the 5 minute is grim here in the US session. Look at that. Look at that. 5. Up and down. Sideways. Not good. Look at that. Beautiful push here. We caught this long. It's all we need for the day. Now with this price action, we don't even need to think about it yet until we close above or below. Yeah, 15 doesn't look like it's going to set up. 15 doesn't look like it's going to set up for the impulse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stay on for this 30 because we've got a minute. If this 15 can somehow close above this level, then yeah, we've got 15-minute impulse longs. But if it doesn't, I'm just going to stay on for this 30 closure. You know, we've got like 16 minutes. I'm going to give it another 16 minutes. If it does then close above, I can take 30-minute longs. If not, I'll just stay active in the community, okay? In the Discord. Like I say, guys, what you see on YouTube here for an hour and a half is literally an hour and a half of trading. An hour and a half to 2 hours of trading. You know, the community is all day, constant updates, videos, education, mentorship. All day, Monday to Friday. Even Saturday and Sunday, we do Zoom calls on for members. But like I say, that's where, you know, the constant mentorship is there. If you like I say, you're only seeing an hour and a half, 2 hours of it here. Let's see though. I'm happy to give it another 30 minutes. I'll give it, like I said, another 15 minutes, this 30 closure. Let's see how we close. Because the 15's definitely not setting up. Look at the 15. 15's wicking. Poor price action here. To start off the week for the US lives. I'm happy with our position here though. Beautiful, beautiful trade there. Look at that, 40 ticks, bang. But yeah, no 15 impulse here. The next entry for me would be 30. Yeah, the next entry for me would be the 30. Like always, if you're not in the community, I will update you as I close out the stream. I will update you as I close out the stream if we don't close above. But what I would like to see, even if we do close below like so, then I just take like some half risk sells. Because I am trading against this momentum. I'll just take some half risk sells down. But preferably I'd like to close strongly above. You know, preferably I'd like to close like so. Okay, like to close like so. And then I just take that little move into that liquidity above, 25, 30 ticks and be done. Okay. But like I say, it's not over yet. It's not over yet, we've still got time. We've still got time. But I'm going to be honest with you. Look at that 5 minute. Look at that 5 minute. If I do jump off stream and we maintain within this range in 15 minutes, I'll simply just leave an alert here, 26:48, an alert here at 26:41, and I won't do anything. You know, I'll get on with my day. Well, the rest of my day, should I say. There's no need to just sit at the chart, force positions within the range. Gold always creates the range first. Like, look, range, push. Why is it gone to that colour? Look, range, push higher. What's it doing now? It's just creating that range to either push higher or continue lower. Like I say, I'll be on for another 12 minutes. If you've got any questions, you know, get them in now. Get your comments in before I do head off. Any at all, whilst I can explain it to you now. Just trying to find a good level to close below. Yeah, it will be here for now, I'd say. Decent little level there. I do prefer longs, to be honest. Yeah, I do definitely prefer longs, especially with the volume that we saw here. I would prefer this to get a closure above to continue higher. Yeah, the 30 will be the next entry that I can take. What's the 4 hour looking like? 4 hour too, to be honest with you. The 4 hours looking clean. Look, 4 hour 3 candle pattern. Took the low, pushed higher. You know, you can probably see that push into them highs. But right now I need a closure without outside of this range. This is the range I'm playing. Sit tight. Let's see what this next 10 minutes does. Right, yeah, let's see. And that's the thing. That's the thing with the level as well. Like, if you've got a level here at 26:41, like, and someone else has got a level here at 26:40, for example, here, like, if you want to be selling, you need to see a strong close below to even think about selling, especially after this push up. So for me, back above here. Let's see how this 30 closes anyway. If it's back within the range, as always, I'll just update and keep active in the community as always. Anybody put out in the community really quickly? No, nothing just yet. This 30 could take liquidity and close below, and then you could get that little pullback. You know, closes below, you get a little pullback, 30, 40 ticks and done. That'd be sweet. But with the way we've been ranging, I wouldn't be surprised if the next 5 minute opened and just pushed higher. Then you're back within this range. And if that's so, I'll just get out. I'll just end there. Set my alerts and go. But we've got 7 minutes to wait anyway. But yeah, let's wait. We've got 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Let me check. Let me check something really quickly. Yeah, like, anybody got any questions, feel free to drop a question in. Seriously, like I say, any questions at all, it doesn't matter. Just put it in and I'll get it answered for you. 40 subscribers until we get to 500 too. Insane. Appreciate everyone for that. See what the new year brings as well. New year, new goals. Let's smash it. 2025. Everybody ready to level up. Oh, PA on gold, man. I don't, like, seriously, if I was not on live stream, I wouldn't be sitting here. I'd have my alert set. And like I said, I'll see how this 30 closes in 5 minutes. Go from there. Right. Waiting game on gold for the US, I tell you that. Not much to talk about. 5. Just stay on the 5 for now. This last 5. If this 5 closes bullish, I won't be surprised. Yeah, it'd be this 30 I'd be looking at now. See how this 30 closes, guys. See, that's 30 closes. Could be on some half risk shorts. Like I say, I'm only going half risk if I am shorting. The fact that this was bullish. You know, there's a couple of different levels below too that you could have trouble getting below. So if we do get back below here, I just take half risk shorts. You know, it's not super clear for shorts because of how bullish we have been. I will still take it. I am exposed to both sides as always, but you know, you've got a level here too. So if we do close below there, price could come into here and continue higher. So if I do take the shorts below this level at 26.42, I am going to be at half risk. And then if we do close even more bearish below the next level, I'll just take full risk then. But we need to wait for this next candle to close. Dun, dun, dun. 30 minutes. You're probably gonna see a little. You're probably gonna see a little pullback here as well. You know, on gold, if it does break below this level, you're probably gonna see an extra. You know, another at least 20, 30 ticks down before it does. If it is gonna continue higher. You know, gold does like to pull back to then revisit more highs. You know, but we'll see how the next, 3 minutes is. Respecting that level again. We'll see. Boring US session to say the least. Like, what's that? We've been on for an hour and a half now, and we've just been stuck in this range here. 50 ticks. Not even a small range. It's a normal size range. The candle tick sizes are quite big. That's not the problem. It's just the price action. Sideways. Unless it closes below strongly. If it doesn't, then that'll be me. We'll see. Make sure you're subscribed as well. You'll get notifications when I go live if you subscribe. So drop a subscribe. Let's get to 500. Let's get to 500 before the end of the month. 24 days. I'm sure we can get 40 subscribers. Right, 55 seconds. Are we going to close strong below or not? Nah, it doesn't look like it. What's the 5? This is for 5 respecting the level. Yeah. Don't think it's going to close strong enough below. Like I said, we've got this level here. But if you were looking for shorts, you'd want it to close at least below like so. Decent little closure. It doesn't look like it is going to, but we'll give it the time. 10 seconds. Yeah, rangy, choppy, rangy. Sideways US for the hour and a half I've been on. Like I say, you can take some half risk shorts now. Rejecting the range, within the range. Probably going to see that little push down further on gold. But I'm going to wait for the closure below, personally. Closure back below here. But yeah, you are going to see that pullback now, watch. But anyway, yeah, like I say, that's going to be me done. That's going to be me done. I've been on for an hour and 30 minutes. And we've literally just been sideways. So let me just refresh this chart really quickly before I head off. Community members, I'll stay active there as always. But for the YouTube fam YouTube guys who are just here for the stream, what I'll be waiting for now is a closure, whether that's on the 30 or hourly 15. If we can get a closure back below here, 26.41, this level, then I'll be looking to play some pullback shorts. Like I say, if we can get that closure in the next 15-30 minutes, then I will be looking for that pullback short. For longs for me, longs be back above 26.46 as we've mentioned. So this is the range I'm using for now on gold, okay? But I am going to head off, like I say, not much happening. We've been sideways for the last 20, what's that? Been sideways for the last 2 hours, almost 2 hours. But yeah, I'm going to head off now. If anything happens, I will update community members in the Discord. But I'm just gonna sit back, see how we close in 15 minutes. If the 30 closes bearish below, I'll just take 30 shorts. Liquidity grab, closure below, just take the next 30. But for me, I'm going to see how the 30 reacts now, because the 30 could react and close bullish, and then I could take longs. So I'm still exposed to both sides. Going to give it another 15 minutes, 30 minutes, see how we close, and I'll go from there. But yeah, YouTube, I'll see you tomorrow. Community members, I'll see you in the gold chart. And yeah, in a bit, guys. Peace, yeah. Like I said, see you all tomorrow. Same time, 12:30. Okay. See you all tomorrow. Yeah, see you all tomorrow, guys. Let's like I say, I'll see how this closes, and then I'll be done from there. I'll go from there. Like I say, if you want to join the community, I've put the link a couple of times in the comments. Make sure you join. Very, very active. Everything you need in the community is there as well. So, yeah. Ron, see ya in a bit, mate. Cheers, Wes. No worries, bro. Yep, I'm off, guys. Peace.